Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is division of fractions. Let's take a look at our problem that we have today. We have 2 over 1 divided by 1/5. So the 2 over 1 we keep. The division symbol we change to multiplication. In the second fraction, we're actually going to flip or take the reciprocal. So we're going to keep, we're going to change, and we're going to flip. Okay, see it. We're going to keep the first one, change division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal by flipping the second fraction. Just multiply the tops and the bottoms now. The numerator is 2 times 5. The denominator is 1 times 1. 10 divided by 1 is 10. Thanks for watching today and hope this video was helpful for you. As always, we'll see you next time.